In a place like Meridian, Idaho, where sunshine brightens up neighborhoods nearly year-round, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to bring more natural light into their homes. One of the most beautiful and effective solutions? Bow windows. These graceful, curved window structures not only add charm and character to your home's exterior, but they also flood your indoor spaces with natural light, creating a warm, open, and inviting atmosphere. If you're thinking about upgrading your windows or enhancing the design of your living areas, here's how bow windows can transform your home with natural light while improving comfort, aesthetics, and functionality. What are bow windows? Bow windows are a type of projection window that extends outward from the home's exterior wall, typically made up of 4 to 6 equally sized window panels. Unlike bay windows, which have sharper angles and 3 panels, bow windows form a gentle, rounded curve that gives your home a panoramic feel both inside and out. This outward projection provides extra interior space, expanded views, and, most importantly, multiple angles for sunlight to enter your living area throughout the day. Maximizing sunlight exposure. One of the biggest benefits of bow windows is their ability to capture and reflect sunlight from multiple directions. Because they consist of several panels arranged in a curve, they let in more light than flat windows or even standard bay windows. In Meridian, where sunny days are common, bow windows can illuminate your home's interior with soft, natural light, reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, create a brighter, more cheerful environment in your living room, dining area, or master suite. Natural light is known to boost mood, improve productivity, and even help regulate sleep, making bow windows an upgrade that's good for both your home and your well-being. Creating spacious, open interiors. Bow windows don't just brighten your home, they also help it feel larger and more open. The outward curve adds extra square footage to your room, which you can use for a cozy reading nook, a window-side bench with storage, decorative displays, or indoor plants that thrive in sunlight. The added depth and light help eliminate that boxed-in feeling, especially in smaller or darker rooms, giving your space a more airy and luxurious ambiance. Improving home value and curb appeal. Bow windows make a statement. Their elegant shape and architectural presence add instant charm to your home's exterior, boosting curb appeal and resale value. Inside, the enhanced lighting and expansive views make your living space more attractive to potential buyers. In Meridian's competitive housing market, smart upgrades like bow windows can set your home apart. They signal quality, elegance, and a thoughtful design approach, all of which appeal to today's homebuyers. Energy-efficient natural light. Modern bow windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, so you can enjoy the benefits of natural light without sacrificing comfort or increasing your utility bills. Features like double or triple pane glass low-E coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon gas-filled panes for insulation, weather-tight seals and frames, Ensure that your home stays cooler in Meridian summers and warmer in winter, while still letting the sunshine in. Customization to fit your style. Bow windows come in a variety of styles and materials, including vinyl, fiberglass, and wood. You can also customize the type of window in each panel, such as fixed, casement, or double hung, depending on your preferences for ventilation, view, and appearance. This flexibility allows you to match your home's architectural style, whether you're aiming for a modern look or classic charm. Final thoughts. Let the light in with Bow Windows. If you're looking to enhance the brightness, beauty, and overall feel of your living spaces in Meridian, Bow Windows are a standout choice. With their elegant design and light-maximizing function, they transform any room into a sunlit, welcoming retreat. Whether you're remodeling or building new, now is the perfect time to explore bow window options tailored to your home's needs. Reach out to a trusted Meridian window installation expert today, and let the natural light shine in.